Will Toyota void your warranty with performance modifications? And the short answer to this is yes. Any modification you do to your Toyota car can possibly void the manufacturer's warranty. It's as simple as that. And if anyone tells you otherwise, that's not quite true. There are other warranties within our market and the industry that says that the manufacturer has to prove the modification has caused the fault or the issue. But the reality is the manufacturer doesn't have to prove anything, and the customer is left hanging to prove that the modification doesn't void their warranty. Because of this, we wanted our customers to feel more secure, and so what we're excited to release at Just Autos is a warranty for your modified Toyota. This is for certain packages and covers the engine components for the period of your standard Toyota warranty schedule, up to 160,000 kilometers. We are starting with the 79 series and will slowly add other models to our warranty package down the track. This is something I'm extremely proud of and excited about. Now you guys can travel Australia with the security and peace of mind of a Just Autos warranty on your Toyota engine. So if you have any issues with the performance upgrades, we've got you. We're putting our money where our mouth is and making sure that you guys can get back to enjoying your Toyota as quickly as possible. If you would like any more information about our warranty systems, please get in contact with our guys at the front. They'd be more than happy to answer any of your questions. Thanks.